In this lecture, we will discuss post-harvest handling of flower crops. How flower production and post-harvest handling leads to the overall increase in turnover. Starting from farm level, with different treatments given to the farmer increase the longevity of flowers. Increasing waste life plus fulfilling the needs of consumer gives increase in the overall turnover. Why there is need for post-harvest handlings. Flowers remain alive even after harvest and continue their metabolic activities like depletion in carbohydrates, rise in temperature and respiration rate, rapid deterioration due to microorganism, water stress, increased accumulation of ethylene. All these are the factors which leads to the deterioration of harvested produce and which demand for the appropriate post-harvest handling technologies. There are different factors which affect the post-harvest quality and longevity of flowers. These factors are pre-harvest factors and post-harvest factors. Pre-harvest factors comprises of genetic or inherited makeup, growing condition, and stage of harvest. Post-harvest factors consist of respiration rate, RH, that is relative humidity, growth regulators, preservative solution, pre-cooling and storage, packing and transporting. Now we will discuss critical factors involved in post-harvest. First, it starts from stage of harvesting. The stage of harvesting is a very peculiar stage for post-harvest handling. Post-harvest treatments like pulsing, after that storage, after that packaging, transportation with cold change, and last one is waste. First, we will discuss stage of harvesting. Harvesting at the right stage of growth of flower crop is an art as well as science, as the grade and the quality of flower is highly affected by its appearance. Thus, it must be to manage properly the factor which reduces their post-harvest life. The stage of harvest plays a key role. It varies with species to species, and within species it varies with varieties. For example, the flower of rose, carnation are harvested at bud stage for distant market. Pre-cooling and pulsing treatment. Removal of excessive field heat is known as pre-cooling. Pre-cooling in field is done just immediately after cutting of flowers. They are put in a bucket of water. This can be achieved by other methods like hydrocooling, refrigeration, forced air cooling, etc. It brings down the respiration rate and enhance the post-harvest quality. Pulsing. Pulsing means placing freshly harvested flowers for a relatively short time, from few seconds to hours, in a solution specially formulated to extend their waste life. Sugar is the main component in pulsing solution. It is done to regain the turgidity of flowers. Third is grading of flowers. Grading of flower is very important as damaged or infested flowers, if any, are discarded. Good flowers are graded according to the bud size and the stem length. Grading varies upon the grading standard which are specified for different flowers differently. Uniform buds of a particular grade are bunched for a further process. Packaging material. Different packaging material like cellophane paper, butter paper, CFP, that is corrugated fiber boxes, papers, aluminium laminated foil, polythene sheet are used. As in pic, you can see these are the polythene films, these are LDPE films, these are the aluminium foil, and how they are used in packaging. This is cello wrapping. These are CFP boxes with holes for aeration. These are the thermocol boxes. Next is cold chain. Cold chain improves the temperature regulation at all stages in the post-harvest practices. Starting from the pre-cooling to the shipment, the optimum temperature should be maintained. It increases the longevity of the flowers and decreases the respiration rate. From this, you can understand the importance of the cold chain. In this pathway, from farmer, it is packed in farm pack houses and transported to the rural market assembly and then transported to the wholesaler. If we choose another pathway, that is from farmer to pack house, and then pack house to the wholesaler, then it again goes to the retailer and then to the consumer. It is a long chain. To maintain the quality of flour in this long chain is very tough. So cold chain plays a very important role. In different stages, different temperature is being maintained. In pre-cooling, 6 to 12 degrees Celsius temperature, cold storage 5 degrees Celsius temperature, grading and packaging 20 degrees Celsius temperature, refrigerated van 5 to 8 degrees Celsius temperature, and in cargo cabin 16 degrees Celsius temperature is maintained to have a good flour quality. Preservative solution. We called it holding solution. It consists of different things. First one is a sucrose. Sucrose is the one which nourishes the cut stem. 10 to 20 gram per liter is optimum. More we add the sucrose, the faster is the life cycle. So use should be in optimum concentration. Second is the biocide or germicide. Biocide are the chemicals which kill the microorganism, retard the bacterial growth, and ultimately increase the water and the nutrient uptake. Acidifier. Acidifiers are the one which bring down the pH of the water and increase the water uptake. Ethylene inhibitor. In plant synthesize the different two carbon compounds which leads to the senescence and aging. Thus, ethylene inhibitors are the chemicals which reduce the ethylene production in plant. Such chemicals are amino oxyacetic acid, amino ethoxyvinyl glycine, methoxyvinyl glycine, 1 methyl cyclopropane. Thank you.